Welcome to the Discount Forklift Troubleshooting Guide. I'm your host, Jack, and today we will be going over the steps required to replace an O-ring on a liquid propane-powered forklift to repair a damaged or worn O-ring. First, turn off the forklift and shut off the propane tank valve. Disconnect the propane tank from the forklift. Locate the O-ring on the propane tank valve. Carefully remove the old O-ring using a small pick or screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch the valve. Take a moment to check that there is no debris or dirt in the valve. Place the new O-ring onto the valve, ensuring that it is properly seated and in the correct position. Reconnect the propane tank to the forklift. Make sure it is tightly secured. Open the propane tank valve slowly and check for any leaks. If you notice a leak, immediately turn off the valve and inspect the O-ring and valve for damage or improper seating. If you are certain the O-ring is in good condition and seated properly, check that the regulator is not cross-threaded on the valve and that it is tightened all the way down. As you can see here, the regulator is cross-threaded and can only be tightened halfway. If the regulator is cross-threaded, don't attempt to over-tighten, as this will cause damage to the valve and the regulator. Unscrew the regulator and reconnect it, taking care to ensure the threads on the valve are aligned with the threads on the regulator. Once you are certain there are no leaks, turn on the forklift and test it to ensure it is working correctly. And that's it. Replacing an O-ring on a propane tank for a forklift is a simple process, but it's important to take your time and ensure that everything is done correctly to prevent accidents or damage. If you found this video helpful, click the like button below and tell us what you think in the comments. If you would like to see more videos like this one, feel free to check out our Discount Forklift Guides playlist, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on important information. Thanks again for tuning into the Discount Forklift YouTube channel. See you next time.